Hi, this is Cheryl of Majestic Wire Artworks, and I am about to open up my next package from Beebeecraft. So excited. I don't remember 100% what I ordered, so let's find out. This time, I knew that it would have a label saying it was coming from Ontario, so I didn't open the bag ahead of time. Oh yes, now I'm starting to remember. Actually have I usually make one tutorial, or they just ask me to make one tutorial with the items I order in each package. But you know, if I'm gonna make more than one tutorial using the product, I'm gonna give them the credit for it. So they're gonna get multiple tutorials from me, and I'll just add the links as I make them. My last package, I'm gonna be doing a second tutorial for that one, because the beads are perfect for what I had in mind. Okay. Wow. Okay. So I opened up last time some tools, and they're really nice tools, but for some of the jobs you really need more precision chain nose plier. So I was studying all the pictures on their website, and because I wanted to find a chain nose plier that was more precision and had a finer point. And wow, it doesn't have a box link, but it's, you know, it's the point I'm after. This is even better than my the one I have that I had been currently using. Wow, this is great. This that is nice and long, tapered slowly, so you can do your work and get more measurements of, you know, widths. And it's got the really super tiny point on the end, smaller than my expensive one that I had, and I'm super thrilled with this. Yeah, it is worth every penny. So check out the link. It will be in the description. And oh, this is definitely a plier worth getting. It's got a spring here for tension, so it opens up on its own. And wow, I'm quite impressed with. I wish I could have the two pliers put together, because I like the spring system in the other one better than this one. But you know what? For those jaws, it's really awesome. So you will see me use this plier. It's smaller in my hand. It's finer here. Mind you, I've got small hands, but yeah, I'm going on and on because I'm really thrilled and excited with these. You will definitely see me using them, and I definitely will be putting the link to them with my future videos too. Okay, so let's move on. Oh wow. Okay. I honestly don't remember. I put the order together in the middle of the night. Wow, this is cool. So this is a bunch of 4mm bicones, and it's got, oh, I remember, I wanted to match colors with another project I had in mind. I should write my ideas down. Note to self, write your ideas down with what you picked. Oh, look at this. And it comes in already organized and beautiful little container. Oh, nice. Yes, now I remember. Okay. So with one of my tutorials, I am going to be using these to accent some of the beads. I got it. Now I remember. Awesome. So I bought for all our boho loving people, our hippie people that like to wear hippie style jewelry, I am going to show you, some really funky, cool earrings to make with these. Now these polymer clay and power flowers, you know, it's going to be so much fun. And then the crystals were accents to make the earrings. We're going to make some really cool earrings with these. And wouldn't take much to make a matching pendant either. So that is, I should have told you. I should have kept you in suspense. But that is the first tutorial. Oh man, I was going to make, yeah, definitely 2 tutorials to make with this. And my next set is some beads to make a bracelet. Now, I didn't have any, like I have a huge inventory of items in my supply, like too many. I could probably open up a little shop. Let's see, how do we open this? Oh, I'm going to pull this. I don't want to spill beads everywhere. Is it taped shut? It's taped shut. That's why I'm having difficulties. Take my scissor. Aha. Okay. So these beads, I don't have anything in stock like this. These are frosted glass beads. And I have a bracelet design I have created specifically to use these so I could make multiple colors. And for the same, I could use the bicones in the same bracelet pattern. I just hesitate at wearing bicones on my wrist because sometimes they scratch. So I like rondelles a little bit better. But it would work. It would work. Okay, and I think we have one more item. Oh yes, for making the bracelet, I bought some clasps. Okay, are they all the same? They're all the same. So they're flowers and kind of like a vine. There, toggle clasp. Isn't that pretty? So when you make a bracelet, it's always nice to have a cute clasp. It just adds so much more to the bracelet. Okay, well, that's it for the opening. I'm so excited to be using these. Thank you, Beebeecraft. I really appreciate you sharing your items with me. Okay, so look for the tutorial. I should have, as I make them, I will add the links to the opening, and I will also, you'll see if you subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. You will see the tutorials I make. Beebeecraft will be in the title. You just have to read the whole title. Sometimes it doesn't show up, but if you put your mouse over top of the title, in fine print, it will show you the entire title. So that's how you can check it out. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Bye for now.